because he holds value. But that's what you're riding with, dude. Chris line help. Let's just sim to the off season. You never know. Yeah, I couldn't do that. Okay, took my headphones off. We live to see another year of coaching, so that's good. DeAndre Hopkins retiring with the Steelers, which is freaking crazy. 2025 retirements, and then we don't see all this shit, so it's okay. 2025 season recap. Let's see. So, the Commanders, my favorite team, host, or they, what the hell am I trying to say? Good Lord. RJ Dementia over here. Sorry, the Raiders host the Commanders. They whipped the crap out of them, 35-3. DeForest Buckner gets Super Bowl MVP. The Las Vegas Raiders are Super Bowl champions, and Jaden Higgins is Offensive Rookie of the Year. And then Stephon Diggs is Offensive Player of the Year. TJ Watt, Defensive Player of the Year. Defensive Rookie of the Year is Derek Harmon. Pete Carroll, QB, Matthew Stafford is the MVP. Yeah, so we obviously didn't get no one I wouldn't expect to. And then, I mean, no one likes me, so it's okay. I wouldn't expect them to. We suck ass. We're 79 overall. So, I mean, this is crazy. Staff improvement. Players to negotiate. This might be huge.
They're on the last year of their contract.
Yeah, we got some players to sign. So I will be. We have 160 mil. He wants 14 mil a year. That is what he wants. I'm going to bump. I'm just gonna leave it like that, dude. Stay with the team. There we go. Cool. Okay. Tariq Woolen wants to go to a different team. He expects
these players are on the last year of their contract.
He's going to stay in free agency. I wouldn't expect him to.
You can start 4
everyone
with
else
preset contract
is
off.
packing their bags and getting out of the Jets. So we're gonna go into. At least we could retain a running back. Oh man. See combine results. Archman with a 4.5. That's pretty good. Vertical 24 inches. Broad jump 105. Coming through. He's gonna be a good quarterback. This thing is we went 9-8. We started the season 2-5. I was hoping to get the number 1 overall pick or a top 5 pick, but that's not going to happen. Garrett Nussmeier, top 5. Cade Klubnik, top 5. TJ Parker, top 5. Yeah, Francis Malcoa, I'm probably going to be drafting him. But we're just going to need everything, so. Let's see what's in free agency. I wouldn't expect a lot of people sign with us. Kevin Byard wants to sign with us, but that's pretty much about here. You get Troy Franklin and all that other shit. Juju Smith used to. Yeah. Yeah, this no one wants to sound this. So what I'm going to do is send all the way to the draft.
You have a certain number of active negotiations available for.
And if you want me to restart this whole season so y'all can see it from the start, because I lost the recording, just let me know, and I will. But in the meantime, we're just gonna stick with it. We're the 22nd pick in the draft, so I'm skipping the next user pick. Oh, we have pick number 3 from who? Bro, I didn't even realize that. Hold on. We have 2 picks. What? Pick player? Hell yeah, dude. Garrett Nussmeier, 6'2". They're both 6'2". Dude. Bro. Both, they're just strong arm quarterbacks. Talent, round wonder. Bro, what? We also need a wide receiver, too. Projected. There's this dude. Scrambler. I love scrambling quarterbacks, bro. I'm not really much of a but I'm taking Garrett Nussmeier, dude. LSU boy. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna try to make it to the OTAs, the Washington Commanders OTAs. I have a feeling that's gonna kick me out, bro. If that happens, I'm gonna be so mad. Bro, I might take a wide receiver, bro. Carnell Tate, dude. What the Nick Harbor, dude. Kyle Lemon. Dude, there's a bunch of fucking talent here, dude. Vertical threat. Eli Stovers. Dude. I think I can get him in the 2nd round. No, wait. You're not telling me, bro. Where's Sellers, dude? Dude. Jimmy Higgins? Who the fuck that dude is, bro? Nick Harper 6'5", bro. That dude is a fucking beast, bro. Yeah, he's fucking crazy, bro. I'm drafting him. Bro. Eli Stowers, bro. Vertical threat, possession, 6'5", 6'4", 6'5". Bro, you're not telling me Caleb Downs is still on this fucking team, bro. What is we doing, bro? Bro, I'm picking up Caleb Downs. What? I'm just not gonna pick up Caleb Downs, dude. Bro, he has 88 speed, dude. Madden is freaking stupid, dude. The strongest position D line, weakest position linebacker. Bro, it's the other way around, you freaking foon. Let's get the next user pick, dude. Bro, this draft class is stacked, bro. Yeah, Stover's still there, dude. Dom Pearson's bro zone. Bro, no one's taken this dude yet. His physical, he's bro. NFL Combine is third, so he's fast. Bench press 20, 10th, first. Okay, bro, dude, I'm drafting this tight end, bro. Sorry, I got distracted. I'm gonna skip to the end of the round, and I will see y'all after that. Obviously, it's gonna be edited out. Damn, dude. All right. Draft recap. I think we did pretty good. We drafted quarterback, wide receiver, tight end, safety. Garrett Nussmeier, 74. That looks nothing like him. Nick Harbor. Hell yeah. I don't know why they think that his name's a freaking curse word, but okay. Caleb Downs, 72, which ain't bad, but he should be higher. But these were made probably before the draft board. Shit, bro. 73 overall in the second round is crazy. The CPU drafted me JC Childers out of Northern Dame. And he's a 73 overall. And then we just got fill-ins at each position there. I'm sure that would be good. I'm going to advance to the preseason. Let's get the season number 2 on the way. Now, again, make sure y'all subscribe if y'all want this again. I can do. I can play 2K, Madden, Call of Duty if you want to see that. I can play pretty much anything, but yeah, just let me know, and then yeah, just comment down below what you want to see. I'm gonna send them to the regular season. All right, Choose draft class. Select from download center. 2027 NFL Draft. I forgot we didn't draft no damn no lineman or sign anybody, so this is gonna just ride this way. But I am very yeah, we're just gonna start you right there. There we go. Okay. I'm putting him at sub linebacker. The Carver at slot wide receiver. Yeah. And then one thing I will do. No, I can't do it yet. Hold on. Someone's missing. I gotta go and depth check this. That's one thing that I don't like about Madden. Bro, you're starting over Taylor Heineke. Davis Mills, yeah, you can back up, and then Taylor Heineke bad. I said Taylor Heineke season, but I lied. Play, and then I forgot. Hold on. You have to do this. You got to. 93. Yeah, he's starting, bro. All right. We should be good there. Play season game. I don't like to play defense. I suck at it. We're 78 overall. Not much from last season. I'm getting tired, man. Yeah, I gotta go to bed soon. Let's get it now.
New York Jets. On the visiting sideline, you see
Greetings from just across the New York, New Jersey border in New Jersey at MetLife Stadium here in East Rutherford. Coming up, we've got a good one in store. It's the Green Bay Packers and the New York Jets.
All right.
On the visiting sideline, you see head coach Matt LaFleur. His team fired up.
Oh yeah, I'm throwing this to McCarver no matter what.
Opposite him, the Jets' Aaron Glenn. This guy's come in off what he described as a strong week of practice, looking to put one in.
Pick out the game, bro. That's fucking crazy.
Off play
Defense gotta stop. Yeah, this is a running play right here. We're going weak side. This way. Oh, wow, I thought that was coming. You just do the jump pass, dude. That's crazy.
First carry now for the former Badger, Jonathan Taylor. And he's going to manage to get this out of harm's way, bring him to the 5-yard line.
He gets faster release than Taylor Heineke. Taylor Heineke for that's low use, you can do it.
He'll get rid of it and complete it. And a good job rallying to the football, holding just a gain of a yard and sets up 3rd down.
Alright,
Now they'll set up to throw.
inside zone, the crib. Oh, man,
that's going to be incomplete. Covered very stoutly. That's going to bring up 2nd down. It's 2nd down and 10. On 2nd down, here's a run with Taylor.
What the fuck is this game, bro?
He's tackled beyond the 35.
No way that was that. Bro, that was
the
so weird.
37-yard line for 1st and 10.
This game's so ass, bro.
Moving to his right. Trying to make a play out of the pocket. Couldn't do it. It's intercepted. Picked off by Young.
This game is so terrible. Oh, yeah, it was a bad ball, but no way the CPU is glitching when going to the fucking.
On play action, he'll set up to throw. Now he'll run.
Initially, Mike, a really good job by the defense. Nowhere to go with the
Yeah,
ball
the
for this
first one, that was
He's forced to
I
pull it down
missed
and
that
turn
one.
into a runner.
That one,
Slow reaction, and he's able to actually pick up a pretty good game.
Little short pass here.
this time it's
And they get this one across midfield to the 47-yard line. First and 10 at the 47-yard line. Off the play fake. He'll look to throw. Short pass taken in.
weak side again.
And that'll be good for a gain of about 4.
Cut up.
He is forced out of
Get some
bounds.
yards back.
So, first quarter in the books.
In full
here on
speed.
NFL
This is
kickoff
good.
weekend. It's the Packers on top. We're back to upstate New York in just a moment.
Yeah, you got the angle. That's a touchdown. Touchdown.
Quarter number 2.
Touchdown. Oh.
For the 3 yards. Mike Green is there on the stop. They've got it facing 3rd and a
Yeah,
yard.
you got this one harder.
They'll try and run for this. It's Taylor.
Touchdown.
And more inside the 25. And he gets marked out of bounds, but inside the 5-yard line. That's good for Jets.
Oh, that deep corner might be open.
There's a little pop pass heading to the right.
Because they just let him catch everything. Even though that should be 100% an interception, but this game's so terrible, bro. This game is so terrible.
Back to throw here.
I might remember the unique second Madden.
Air this one out. And for the 3rd time in this first half, he's been intercepted.
This game is so terrible.
On 1st down, they'll start with Taylor. And he is stopped in his tracks. Loss of a couple on the play. 2 minutes to go. First half in a 2-point game.
Alright, I need to get in my bag.
We'll
bro.
come back to MetLife Stadium after this. Out of the gun, he'll throw. That's complete. Jonathan Taylor out of the backfield. And a good job.
Oh, I was not expecting pressure.
Gain of a yard.
That's low
Sets up
crazy.
3rd down.
And I am. This is dumb. I should be.
They'll look to throw.
Oh my god, what a dot, bro. What a dot that shit was, dude.
The punter remains on the sideline. They're going to line up and go for it on 4th down. Taylor work his way out right.
See, like, that shit's so dumb, bro.
Looking for Lockett. first down.
I don't know how they play this. They're not
Style
just
there. Big play on fourth
yeah,
and
they
long.
cover that. But that stupid animate, bro.
And he can't hang
I will
on.
always buy Madden,
Contact
but it
incomplete.
is
Good
just
job
like,
defensively to meet him
Best
just
Madden
as the
is Madden
ball
13.
was arriving. It'll bring up second down.
and I was a little bit. Holy
A quick throw on the RPO is complete. And a good job rallying to the football, holding just a gain of a
Hey,
yard.
it
And
was
sets
worse
up
last time.
third
We got
down.
it first time last time. So let's see what this does.
Heel drops the throw. Flushed to his right. He bought all the time he could, but he's going to be taken down as he couldn't get a throw away.
Bro, he
That's
fucking
timeout
sealed
Green
that
Bay.
shit.
It'll be their second. Clock says 25 seconds till halftime.
Maybe 98
They do
overall.
indeed snap as they'll try and throw. Going.
That is why I don't run the
It's
ball.
going to be incomplete.
Come on, Garrett. Get ready.
They'll start this on the ground. It's Taylor. And not much there. He's back to the original line. No gain on that one. Lost one on the last play, so now it's 2nd and 11. They go right back to Taylor. And that didn't get a whole lot.
Yeah, I was playing here.
That's it. 3rd and 9.
A gain of 2. Brings up
From down near his goal line, he'll look to throw. He's going to have the first down.
I didn't throw it away. I didn't. It's not a mobile. This is why I love streaming.
Unbalanced look
I'm not
here
really
to the
much
right
of a
side on
Probably
1st
curious
and
a lot
10.
about me, but I don't care.
Back to throw.
And no.
And they're going to track him down. He couldn't find a receiver, and
Good
down
job,
he
he's
goes.
putting his money.
Work to do now as they come up on 2nd and 1. He'll look to throw. Oh, this pass rush dialed in right now. They get him again.
Pressure dude is
Work to
crazy.
do following the sack. It is 3rd and long.
Now I'm just backspin.
And that is incomplete.
It's just so hard to be a good offense
did.
in the NFL, Mike, when you are not good on 3rd down. Your inability to extend drives, it either puts a lot of pressure on your coaches to be aggressive on 4th down.
Alright, I'm playing
or
defense
simply
now.
punt or
Let's do
kick a
stop,
field goal.
please.
You have to maintain possession and give you more cracks to score touchdowns.
I just got dotted up, bro. This is crazy.
They'll take the give, and now it's McCarthy.
Yes,
The man is beaten. He's got him. And they'll take this down inside the 35.
That's good for a Packers first down. 1st and 10.
oh yeah, we on that.
We are through 3 quarters here on NFL Kickoff Weekend. You're watching the NFL on EA Sports. On the zone read, it's McCarthy. And that play going nowhere. The defense all over that one. They'll bring him down for a big loss.
Bro, these freaking zone, the thing is, computer knows how to like play
Before going
like
out of bounds.
decent
Third down
with
coming up.
the defense playing. But I'm just
Looking out of the shotgun, it is McCarthy. It's a pickup
Um,
of 12.
well, the defensive line is
Green
not
Bay
terrible.
first down.
The way how they like goes.
From the gun, here's
Yeah,
McCarthy.
18 at the least.
He connects with Palmer on that one.
This is
Running there in the red zone. He did not want to go down. And he picks up the first down. It'll be 1st and goal. Here's H.A. And he's in.
like that should be a dot, bro. And it's not. Because he has some type of abilities.
Boy, some bulk in the
If
formation
not,
on that
that's
right
fine.
side. Here for 1st and 10. He's going to take a shot down the
He
field.
just fucking catch that
And
dude.
it is
Holy shit, but he did not get his feet.
Well, they pretty much need a touchdown on this possession, and I think if I'm the defensive coordinator, the fine line you have to find, Mike, is I know I don't want to give up the deep shot.
You gotta go for it.
They take it in on the right sideline, but not in the field of play.
That's so beat. I highly Nick Harvey might be open,
And
but
it will be third down.
they played it, and
Fields
Yeah.
himself to Taylor, complete, and a good short tackle right there. It stops him a good distance short of the marker. It sets up fourth down.
yup.
Shotgun snap. He'll look to throw. And he's going to have a Jets first down.
It depends how they do how it
That'll
goes.
be
So
a
I
gain of
think the
15
mine
on
that's
fourth down.
just outright Stowers.
Fires quickly.
They make
Is
progress.
complete on the
They're
slant. Just shy of midfield. Here's second
Yep,
down.
and Nick Harvey is wide the fuck open.
At their 49-yard line.
Are you fucking kidding me? No, I shouldn't have done that. I'm cocky. Why did I do that?
Back to the air one more time. Down the left sideline. Fighting for the goal line. He lost the football. It's out. Oh no. This goes through
All right,
the end
listen,
zone.
did
Did he lose it
did
now
I-
before
let's see.
crossing the plane?
See,
It looks
I
like they
think-
say he did. So this is the rule that always brings up.
Ooh. You motherfucker, bro. Inches, bro. Inches is fucking crazy. What was that angle by fucking Caleb Downs,
A lot
dude?
of
This was
debate.
ass.
This winds up a touchback, a turnover, and the opponents take over at the 20-yard line. On the ground to start the drive, it's Achane. And he finds a little bit of space. He'll take this forward for a gain of 4. He'll go up here on second down and 5. They'll drop to throw. That one pinballs around, but it is incomplete. You've got to consider this an absolute.
But then if I did that same route, then that's a fucking
Third down.
no. That's a miscue.
It's a throw from McCarthy. That's caught right side. It's Freiermuth.
He's in a really nice rhythm here on third down. He appears very comfortable operating out of the gun. He's able to find his man near the sideline, and he's able to extend this drive.
A run up the middle with Achane. The hole closes quickly. He'll pick up about 3. They face second down and 7.
A 3-yard pickup. Brings up second and 7.
Throwing now, it's McCarthy. He'll be forced to just throw that one away. It's incomplete.
So you find yourself playing with a 2-score lead. Of course, it goes without saying, Mike, you don't want to take any unnecessary risks. The primary reads weren't there. Works through his progression, move on to the next play, and just throw that ball away.
Taking off, he'll try to get there. Now timeout, Jets. It'll be their second. It comes with exactly 1 minute left in the game.
6 yards. It's fourth down.
Too much leg there. That one's in.
That's fucking crazy, bro. Oh my god, that's insane. Dude, it's fucking insane, bro. That's actually the Jets season all
At this
on
point in the
game.
game, Mike, you're just trying to make something happen. You find yourself trailing, less than 2 minutes remain. You're just taking some chances. In this case, the chances backfire, and the other team's able to capitalize and take it all the way back for 6.
That's fucking crazy, bro.
From the 6, here comes a return. Oh, he's got room past the 30. Nice job on the return. He's down close to the 35-yard line. The Jets offense getting set to get back to work. Well, Greg,
Freaking Brett
this is
Favre
gonna
said,
take a lot
he hasn't disrespecting Brett Favre. He'll do well great for man. Way
To
too.
struggle like this has got to be a tough field.
Yeah, we've never spoken to a team before their week 1 matchup where they didn't tell us this is the best training camp they've ever had, it's the best roster they've ever had. I mean, how many times have we heard that? So, in this case, though, Mike, I think you have to be careful that you don't...
Bro, no, okay, that's a little insane.
This is not what they've been building.
That's a little insane.
Off-season schedule.
Yeah, I know. This is crazy.
He is intercepted.
It's freaking insane,
Having
bro.
a day. They extend the lead with Greg their second pick 6 of the game.
And that's just something you don't see very often in the NFL, Mike. I mean, you might see a handful of games each year where there's 1 pick 6. But to get 2 pick 6s in the same game, this defense is on fire.
Here comes the
I'm not running the
return
screen
for
anymore,
yards.
bro. They just know how to pick it off, dude.
And he will get cut down short, shy of the 20-yard line.
At their own 19-yard line.
Right back to the air following that pick 6. This offense moving
What the
quickly,
fuck?
and they're trying to get set.
He's trying to stop the clock.
Brings up 2nd and
Here we go.
36 to 7.
Explosive play.
I don't even say. This stuff's just
Incomplete.
just
That will do it. This one comes to an end.
well,
So,
I'm going to
it's a win
sim
here
to
for the visiting
the
Packers. They move to 1-0, getting the victory to begin the new campaign. And that'll do it.
This
for
shit is
my
crazy,
partner, Greg
bro.
Olson.
J.J.
For
McCarthy
our
got
entire
bailed out
team,
by his
I'm Mike Tirico. This has been a presentation of the NFL on E.
Oh my lord. It's just crazy. Before I get out of here, in the video, I'm going to sim to the playoffs. Y'all won't see this. I'm gonna edit this out. Man, that's crazy, bro. That's actually insane. Fucking 5 interceptions in the rookie debut. It is not great. Probably use error, but whatever, bro. We went 8-9. I don't know how I feel about that. So, offensive points per game, we were top 10. Offensive passing yards, we were top 10. 99 rushing yards a game, we were top 15. Defensive points per game, we were almost dead last. No, we are dead last, 30th. So our defense sucks, bro. Our offense isn't even that great on paper. We're mid-pack in defensive passing yards. We're mid-pack on. So our points per game only sucked because of that first game because we let up. Because they scored 36 points. Dude, I have to see this freaking league, bro. League transaction. No, I don't see league transaction. team schedule. So we lost 36-7. Okay, we lost 31-17. We lost 31-13. Then we beat the Bills. Then we lose. Dude, we started the season 1-6. Holy fuck, dude. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 1-3, 1-6. And then we went. Holy fuck, dude. And then we went 24-17. We lost. This is a decent sized one right there. And then we lost that. And then we went 1, 2. And then we just started winning at the back half of the season. And we just started scoring hella points. And then the last game by a nail biter. I'm actually glad we missed the playoffs so we can get a better pick. But we had the top 3 pick in the. Yeah, I don't know. That's crazy to me. Stats and awards, and not a bad season. After having 5 interceptions and after having 1 touchdown to 5 interception ratio, that's a pretty good turnaround at that season. And most of those interceptions probably be in the season. Another 1,000 yards for this man, dude. Nick Harvard, 1,000. It's nice. Tyler Lockett, 16 touchdowns, my man. Holy fuck. Yeah, we don't pass to our tight end that much, so I might have to run Kansas City Chiefs playbook, which is fine. I mean, it's no big deal. But damn, man, Zach Ertz played 17 games, so. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, I'm going to end it here. Please subscribe to Nine TV. And yeah. Yeah, okay, about the same. But yeah, please subscribe to Ryan TV. My all my socials be in the link below. Comment what you want me to do next. I can play any type of game you want me to, unless you want to play with me for a video. We can do that too. And then yeah, y'all stay safe, peace, and enjoy the rest of y'all's night.